Sorokdo, a small island on the southwestern tip of Korea, is where leprosy patients were isolated and even tortured during Japanese colonial rule. Austrian nurses dedicated more than 4 decades to taking care of the leprosy patients on the island before returning to their home country. The Korean government has decided to nominate them as candidates for the Nobel Peace Prize.
Sorokdo Island was home to patients of Hansen's disease who had to live apart from their loved ones all their lives. Back in the 1960s, when few people were willing even to approach them, 2 nurses from Austria, Sister Margaret and Sister Marianne, visited the island.
고름 자른 거, 그런 것은 맨손으로 하는 거지 뭐. 저런 분들이 천사구나.
Nicknamed Big Grandma and Little Grandma, the 2 nurses took care of leprosy patients for over 40 years without receiving anything in return. They returned to Austria in 2005, leaving only a letter explaining that they didn't want to burden anyone because of their advanced age.
저희들 정말 지어야 할 때가 있습니다.
The 2 women are now battling cancer and dementia. Nonetheless, they traveled a long distance to visit the island last year to mark the centennial anniversary of the Sorokdo Hospital.
특별한 거 진짜 안 했어요. 간으로서 봉사하는 거, 환자들 치료하는 거 목적이니까.
The Korean government has decided to nominate the 2 nurses as candidates for the Nobel Peace Prize. The 2 women have declined the nomination, saying that they only did what they had to do. The winner of the Nobel Peace Prize is to be announced in October next year.